Are you ready to transform your farming experience? Meet the future of agriculture with the HOGICO 75VN Turbo Crawler Tractor. For over a decade, HOGICO has been providing farmers with the powerful, reliable equipment they need to succeed. The HOGICO 75VN Turbo boasts a powerful turbocharged engine that delivers exceptional torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like plowing, tilling, and hoeing. This is a tractor line with outstanding features, helping farmers optimize cost, integrated with two main features: transporting agricultural products, connecting and operating agricultural tools for preparing land before sowing, especially suitable for Vietnam's agricultural conditions. Watch now, Crawler Tractor HOGICO 75VN Turbo. How effectively does it work?